Welcome this video. Outdoor patio backyard enhance your space with sticky lights. An outdoor patio or backyard is a perfect retreat for a relaxed, even family gathering or entertain guests. Whether you have a long yard is or a cozy patio, one simple and affordable way to elevate the embrace is by adding light with their soft glue or and decoration. A pair sticky lights can transforming your outdoor space within a cozy have. This project can be customized to fit your style and layout, but and best of all, it's simple, elegant for enhance to strength. Here, how to can create a beautiful layered backyard with sticky lights. Plan your space before divide into the install progress. Start by plan out your backyard is patio light arrangement. Consider the follow aspect: space simple, how long a smart your patio or backyard is. This will help determine how many start by of lights you need and how then should